So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to go about investing in Nigerian Treasury Bill and everything you need to understand about the Treasury Bill. If it's a great investment, you should delve into. So today's video I'll be doing a practical step on how to go about investing using the app Afrinvestor 2.0 and also some things you need to know. So before getting started with how to go about investing, let me tell you some things you need to know about the Treasury Bill. Number one, Treasury Bill is a short-term investment, like a money you borrow to the government in a short period of time. That's less than a year. So you can borrow them 41 days, you can borrow them money for a duration of 3 months, 4 months, depending on anyone you want to choose, but it's always less than a year. Also, you need to understand that there are two types of markets in the Treasury Bill. There is a primary market and also there is a secondary market. For those that want to invest in the primary market, you need to buy it directly from the CBN. So you go to CBN and you need to make payments minimum of 50 million naira. So if you want to invest in the primary market, you need to get started with the minimum of 50 million naira. But if you don't have 50 million naira, then you have to get started with the secondary market. Now for the secondary market, you go to your brokerage account or any brokerage firm you want to choose and you make payments minimum of 100,000 naira. That's how you can invest in a Treasury Bill in Nigeria. So one other thing you need to understand is that Treasury Bill are being taxed. Now this is not like the savings bond where you are not being taxed, that's tax free, but for Treasury Bill you are being taxed. The withholding tax rate of about 10%. So any interest you get, they are taxing that your interest. Let's say you invested 100,000 naira and your interest is supposed to be 17%, that's about 17,000 naira. They are going to take their 10% tax, that's 1,700 thereabouts, and they are going to take some other charges for VAT and the rest of them. You'll be left about 15,000 thereabouts. I'll be showing you a strategy where you'll not be affected by their tax. Yeah, they're going to take the tax, but this strategy I'm going to show you is that you're using your interest to invest again, which means your interest is also getting its own interest. Now the interest of your interest will now be paying the tax for you, and you not only get tax on your interest. Let me show you how to go ahead investing in your Treasury Bill, and I'll be making use of my phone here to show you how to go ahead. So now the first thing you need to do is that you get your brokerage account. So for me, I'll be using Afrivestor 2.0, and you can see it down here. You can see the screen of my Afrivestor 2.0. And now the next thing I need to do is that I'll go next to invest. Now once I go up to invest, I'm seeing now the Treasury Bill. But before you go ahead invest, you need to top up your wallet. Topping up your wallet is quite easy. All you have to do is to just fund your wallet, click on fund your wallet on the home page, and an account will be shown to you. Just send an amount you want to invest in. Once you send the amount to that account number that will be displayed, you can go forward investing. Now you can see that Treasury Bill short-term government debt. Once I click on that, I'll be seeing the list of Treasury Bill that are currently available. Now you can see you can see this one 104 days, you can see the next 167 days. I want to invest in the 41 days, and that's 17.7% rate. So once I click on the that date, now you can see something that you can see reinvest my interest. I'm going to click on reinvest my interest, but for that let me click on the amount I want to invest. I want to invest 400,000 naira in this Treasury Bill. So now once I'll then click on reinvest my interest. So once I click on reinvest my interest, I'll then click on buy. So now once I click on buy, now they are going to show me the things I need to see. You can see custom fee, you can see all that's displayed there. You can see that the interest is 7,931. You can also see that the net interest is 7,771. That's me reinvesting my interest again, but the Treasury Bill is slated for 17.7% and the tenure is for 41 days. So you can see all the payments that will be made, and now the interest of me reinvesting my interest, that's what I'm seeing there. So now my true yield is 18.06%, and once I click on proceed, it will be just a moment. We are getting your order processed. So once this is all done, you can see Nigeria Treasury Bill 41 days purchase in progress, your orders have been successfully placed. Now the next thing that will happen is that I'll receive an email telling me that it has been successful and now start counting. Now I will just wait for the next 41 days for me to get my interest. The Treasury Bill might be a good investment if you want your money in a short period of time, but if you want your money in a long period of time, I advise that you go for the savings bond. You should also understand that this is a low risk investment because you are giving money to the federal government of Nigeria, there are less chances of you not getting your money back. Although this is not a financial advice, I'm not telling you to go into Treasury Bill. I'm just showing you how I went about investing in Treasury Bill myself. So Waxplight is not a place where I'll give you financial advice. We are not a financial institution. You should also make some research before going ahead investing in any investments out there. If you need some answers to your questions, do want to drop your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash passively online and how to go about getting some job as a freelancer online. Until our next one, peace.